What's going on? It's your boy Tech Trail, and today I'm going to be introducing something brand new, something that will be helpful in your AI agent journey, and something that I would love to share with you. Today we are going to be talking about Kilo Code and OpenClaw. You might be wondering, what is Kilo Code? What is a OpenClaw? Well, I'm here today to deep dive into what is Kilo Code and what is OpenClaw, okay? Now, before I begin this great, long, wonderful video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and share it. If you are viewing this on TikTok, please follow me, like the video, favorite the video, and send it to somebody who you think will be interested or could benefit from using this resource. Last but not least, I would like to thank the entire Kilo Code team for sponsoring this video and giving me an opportunity to talk about this wonderful platform and resource. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. Here we go. So this is Kilo Code. The website for Kilo Code is going to be KILO.ai. That is how you get to Kilo Code. So essentially, Kilo Code is going to be the all-in-one agentic engineering platform. So stay in your flow. You can sync across every interface. Start a task on your mobile device and finish it in VS Code, JetBrains, or the CLI without missing a beat. Persist your context. Never lose state. Your session history, active agents, and variables follow you automatically across devices and environments. Open the black box. Kilo is open source, so you can inspect, customize, and integrate to meet your specific needs. And ship without friction. Move from commit to live in one motion. Get AI code reviews and deployments without leaving your IDE. Also, you can reduce your boilerplate coding time by up to 40%. So multiply your output, externalize your context, code at thought speed, and use the best model for the job. So with over 500 plus models, you can control the right trade-offs between latency, cost, context, and reasoning for each task. Accelerate AI ROI. Stop AI spiral. Track and improve velocity. Centralize management and duplicate your best devs. Furthermore, you can glide through your workflow with a mode for every step. So we have Ask mode, a knowledgeable technical assistant focused on answering questions without changing your code base. We also have Architect mode. Research your code base to create design systems and written implementation plans. Code mode, the default mode that transforms your requests and written plans into production-ready implementations. Debug mode, an expert problem solver specializing in systematic troubleshooting and diagnostics. Orchestrator mode, breaks down complex projects into manageable subtasks, assigns them to other agent modes, and coordinates between them. And last but not least, custom modes, a specialized assistant configured to execute unique workflows defined by your custom rules and tools. So here are the features, everything you need to know for agentic development. So recently shipped, we have Kilo Code. So OpenClaw, which we'll be getting more into here in a second, is your personal AI agent managed and secured by Kilo. Deploy OpenClaw in seconds with over 500 models, enterprise security, and zero DevOps. Now we also have Gateway, Cloud Agents, Code Reviews, Deploy, App Builder, Managed Indexing, Agent Manager, Sessions, etc., etc. You can also click here to see more upcoming features. So with the open models, you can switch between 500 custom, local, and frontier LLMs. Kilo is the best gateway to discover and compare models. Use new models the day they come out and try stealth models for free. Here are the different models that's available and how good they are according to each other. So this is essentially daily real-world usage from 1.5 million Kilo coders. And if you have your own model that you would like to take flight, you can click here to get in touch with Kilo Code. So as far as pricing, you can run AI where you want and pay as you go. This is open source, so you can inspect, control, and contribute. If you're coming from Cursor to Kilo, you're not alone. 43% of Kilo coders previously used Cursor. And then we have the frequently asked questions. So is Kilo Code free? Yes. How does Kilo Code handle code privacy? Kilo doesn't collect telemetry by default and never trains on your code. Use local models to keep code on your machine, and teams get enterprise privacy controls with SOC 2 Type 2 certification. And then you can begin with Kilo after you get done understanding where you want to start, how you want to start, what models to use, etc. So I already have a profile. I'm going to log in and go to the Kilo Code dashboard. All right, so here is the Kilo Code profile. As you can see my profile name, my profile email address. Under that, you can link your LinkedIn to the profile. You can also link your GitHub to your profile. Next to that on the right is my remaining credits. I currently have $50 worth of credits, and I do want to thank Kilo Code for providing me those credits. All right, and when you scroll down, you can see the 3 different packages that Kilo Code offers. They have a starter package that costs $19 a month, a pro package that costs $49 a month, and an expert package that costs $199 a month. If you scroll down a little more, you can see that you can convert your payment into one-to-one paid credits that never expire, earn free bonus credits after using your paid credits each month, and first-time subscribers receive 50% free bonus credits for the first 2 months. Under that, if you scroll down, you can invite team members. You can also buy credits. You can automatically top up your balance when it drops below $5. You can redeem promotional codes, and you can use integrations like VS Code, JetBrains, and CLI. So now what we're going to transition into is Kilo Claw. In order to access Kilo Claw, on the left, you have to scroll down under Cloud and click Claw. Once you click Claw, it will take you to the Kilo Claw dashboard. Now, on your end, it's not going to look like this initially. What you have to do is do the wizard in order to get access to this screen. And you also have to run the instance. Once you run the instance, that is when you will be able to click Open Kilo Claw, and it will take you to OpenClaw dashboard and to your Kilo Claw dashboard. So here is the instance I was referring to. Kilo Claw has been provisioned and configured with my settings, and I'm all set to start. Your access code will be accepted, and then you will connect and have access to OpenClaw. So this is the OpenClaw dashboard. We have just accessed OpenClaw hassle-free with superior security, and we have a live machine AI agentic autonomous 24/7 running agent. At the bottom is where you can message your assistant using prompts, ideas, your thoughts, and also you can submit code. On the left, you can see your overview, channels, instances, sessions, usage, cron jobs, agents, skills, nodes, configurations, and more. All right, we have reached the end of the video. I do want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that you learned what Kilo Code is, what Kilo Claw is, and how you could utilize it in order to access OpenClaw and use it for your autonomous AI agent that runs 24/7. And I hope you are able to use it to your benefit on your AI agent journey. Thanks again for Kilo Code for sponsoring this video, and I thank you. Please remember to like this video, share the video, subscribe to me on YouTube, and follow me on TikTok. Thank you again. This is Tech Trail signing out.